Hi everybody, I hope you're doing well. I thought I'd quickly show you how to set up your business card artwork in PowerPoint. So launch PowerPoint. Oh, something happened. Launch PowerPoint. Okay, so when you get to this, you can, obviously select a look, but it's not necessary. So go to File, Page Setup, then under Size, Slide Sized for Widescreen. You're going to go and select Custom. Then it'll give you the ability to adjust your size here. So your width, let's say your business card that you ordered is 90 by 50. So you're going to make your width 9.6 by your height or whatever. Okay, 5.6. So if it's landscape, your width is 9.6. If it's portrait, your design, then your height will be 9.6. The 0.6 is for bleed. So basically, that's all you have to do. You can select OK. Yeah. Righto. The previous time I actually just deleted this when I tested this. Okay. So if you have your logo and everything ready, it has to be in PNG or like JPEG, or how do I say it? You can't. There are certain file formats that won't be acceptable, but you should have a JPEG at the very minimum. So let's say this is your beautiful logo. Now, the cool thing about PowerPoint is that it is like popping up different designs here on the side. So if you really want to, you could just steal one of those. Hey? Isn't it a noise? Anyway, so for us, we're going to add a new slide because we want to do a front and a back. And I'm just going to do it blank because it's not like I'm trying to do the most amazing design ever for you guys. I'm just trying to show you how to legally get this done. I've already previously said in other videos that I have added I've made like icons for you guys so that it's easier, and these are on a file and they'll be in the description of the video, so you can just go and download them there. Okay, let's say we're going to do those three. So it's actually very easy. It's easier to do this in PowerPoint than it is to do it in Word. Like in Word, you have all these margins and they're quite terrible, but it's quite easier. As long as you keep like this much. It's easy for me to say a centimeter, but you might not know how long it is. So what I usually say is like take your thumb. That's how much you keep clear of text or like things you don't want to cut off. So don't go and put your icon there. Okay? Don't do it. Okay, so anyway, I'm just gonna so let's say your Facebook design or your Facebook handle is this. The minimum font size for business cards is actually 8, but I see that PowerPoint isn't allowing you to make it smaller, so just don't. How's that? Get off. Fine. What I'm going to do is I'm just going to copy and paste this because I'm really lazy. There are obviously a lot of things you can do with this to make it amazing. I'm just not at that point. Like, I don't have to worry about it right now. I just need to show you how to get it to a point. Okay, that would be a very easy way of getting your details in. Then what I would suggest is duplicate this, and then maybe like your name and your designation. Everybody knows my name is Jean LaRue now, and I'm a designer. Okay, so this we, for instance, make. I'm not sure if it's going to take it. Oh yay! This we would make a bit bigger because that's just hierarchy and things you need to do. The only thing I'm seeing right now is that we would want a little bit of a gap here, like visually. Okay. And then if you want to go insert a wave or something, you're more than welcome to. You're just going to have to add it in as a PNG, which is not, you'll have to search for PNG most likely. Like I'm going to give you a very bad wave now. Bad wave example. Yeah, but you could obviously do a lot better than this beautiful wave. Okay, but you could save that. I'm going to delete it because I can't cope with it. So once you've got your design and you're happy with it, you're going to save as a PDF. It'll be business card 90/50, whatever you prefer. Now, this is currently, you've saved it as a PDF, which is very nice, but it is still RGB. So remember, like Word and all of these things are RGB based programs. So you have to go and convert it. Okay, so what you would do is you would Google a online converter, so PDF RGB, sorry, CMYK converter. Okay, and then usually this, I think it's the PDF to CMYK.com. You can just go and upload it here. I think it's this one. I have a bit of a worry, so we'll see. You can go upload it here, and then you always select US web codes and swap v2, and then you start. And you download, and that'll be a CMYK version. So that's very cool. The other way you could do it is to drag and drop JPEGs, but that's you have to first export them as JPEGs, and it's not that easy. So easiest way is that I showed you now. That's it. Thanks, guys.